Welcome to Coco Tropical Samui, 6 luxury pool villas located in the Mae Nam area of Koh Samui, Thailand. Just 450 meters from Mae Nam Beach. Let's take a look. Six villas. The first phase has just recently been completed and there's a second phase under construction. Now let's take a look at this 3-bedroom, 224 square meter pool villa. Follow me. Here is the main entrance with an automatic sliding gate, and you have enough room to park 2 cars here. You can even opt to have an outside dining table here, or if you prefer, right in front of your swimming pool. We have space for some sunbeds in front of your pool or another table, a dinner table. And you have a cute garden just all around your swimming pool, as well as an outside shower. Let's now go inside and take a look at the house. Don't forget to take off your shoes. So as soon as you walk in, we have this spacious living room. You can see the stairs going up to the 2nd floor. And look at this open dining area with your kitchen all on this side, so you can just cook openly, freely. Very, very nice. Now let's go back this side where we have your laundry room, some storage area in this corner, right next to an individual toilet right here. Now, past your living room, let's look at the 1st bedroom, which is on the 1st floor, ground floor. Here you walk in, you have your bedroom, closet space on the left side, and of course, pool access. So you can just wake up, get out of bed and jump in your swimming pool. And of course, we cannot forget your ensuite bathroom in every bedroom with sink, toilet and shower. Now let's go upstairs and take a look at the 2 remaining bedrooms. Follow me. As soon as you reach the top of the stairs, on the left, you have your 1st bedroom with, again, your closet space on this side, huge balcony access, we'll get there in a second, and of course your ensuite bathroom. Now let's take a look at the balcony. Come here, slide these open, and you have this huge terrace balcony on the 2nd floor. You can choose to put a barbecue, an outdoor dining table maybe, or just outside couch. Great for relaxing. Let's now take a look at the 3rd and final bedroom. Follow me. Right next to the other room, we have the 3rd bedroom with all your closet space there, your bed right here, and of course, more sliding doors linking right back to your balcony. And finally, we cannot forget the ensuite bathroom with your sink, shower, toilet, and in this one you have a bathtub. And at the end of your corridor, we have an extra balcony, L-shaped balcony that just wraps around the back of your house, so you can just use it as you please. And if you come this way, you have another view of your swimming pool down there. And I mentioned the phase 1 of this project has already been completed, and the phase 2 is being built right at this moment. If you're interested in purchasing a new property in Thailand, whether it's in Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hua Hin, Koh Samui, Krabi, or Koh Phangan, make sure to contact us. Thank you.